Hi, welcome back to Safety and Civil Engineers Insights. We can start talking about safety because safety is an integral part of our lives. Today, we'll be looking at what is HSE policy, health, safety, and environment. So let's dive into it. But hold on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let's dive into it. What is HSE policy? HSE policy is an important legal document that is signed by higher management and set out organizational goals towards health and safety. The HSE policy has three sections, namely 1. Statement of intent, 2. Organizational section, 3. Arrangement section. It is compulsory to have the HSE policy whenever five or more persons are working in an organization. So endeavor that your organization has the HSE policy. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you, and bye.